Oh my goodness. Welcome back to Be Adventures. Hi guys. I don't particularly feel like being on camera, but we got ourselves a very interesting unboxing. Something came in the mail. Ta-da! Guzman and Gomez. Mexican kitchen. Interesting. I obviously had to cover up my details, just for privacy reasons. They sent me this hero pack. Alright, so I guess I'm a hero now. Now, for the sake of brevity, as I said, I adjusted the packaging. Thank you. I was totally surprised. So I'll tell you guys a quick story before we do this unboxing. What I did was, you can go check it out. I did a quick burrito review video because I wanted to try their burritos. And what happened was Google were trialing a type of drone delivery. So it's experimental in Australia. Don't expect it in your area. And I ordered a burrito with my mate, Mitch. He's a great guy, thanks Mitch. And yeah, tried the burrito, it was delicious. Did a positive review, like, hey, awesome burrito. And just a nice novelty using the drone. And then what happened was they got in touch as well. They saw it. And I said, yeah, I just did it for fun. I didn't want anything in return. And it was Lucy in customer service. So thank you, Lucy. Shout out to her. Great customer service. We're just chatting online on the Facebook page. Social media, all that jazz. It's great. Connecting people. And then she said, look, can I get your details? I want to send you a package. Thank you for doing that review. So guys, I will start with this. The secret to living is giving. And I said that to Lucy. I said, I just did it for fun. It was a great burrito. Just sharing the love. I really mean it. I didn't want anything in return. She goes, look, it's fine. She goes, just give me your address and I want to send you a thank you. So here we go. Now, for the sake of brevity, I also already cut it open. I haven't actually opened... I just quickly gave it a quick chop because I didn't want to sit here cutting it up on camera. So I haven't seen what's in it yet. So, oh my goodness, holla. Brendan, thank you so much for making such a great video and for spreading such wonderful positive vibes. We need more humans like you in the world. Oh, wow. Hey, thanks Lucy and thanks Guzman and Gomez. Thanks guys. Guys, they're not paying me to say this. Like I said, I just made that drone video for fun. So go look it up, my drone video. You might see a link up here on the cards. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool. And then that's what I said to her. Look, the secret to living is giving. I just did it for fun. Sharing the love. So yeah, they've sent me this hero pack, whatever that is. Look at this nice wrapping. That's better than my newspaper wrapping. That's a joke. When you don't have wrapping paper, you use like newspaper or something. So yeah, let's tear it open. Okay. What's this? The socks. Alright, well thank you. They sent me some socks. So I guess I can rock my awesome Guzman socks. Alright, well branding. Hey, they're very smart. Actually, let's get that out of the way. They're actually very smart. They're branding their product. So, okay, cool. What's this? Oh, cool! Cool, an apron! It's an apron! No, it's a bag. Oh, I got excited because I was going to make a cooking video. I was going to say I can wear this cooking, I do cooking videos. That's cool, a nice canvas bag. Yeah, a nice like sort of like messenger or just shopping bag. Cool, I'm going to put that in my car. Yeah, I'll use that when I go to the grocery store. Yeah, grocery bag. We're big on that, by the way, in Australia. Like saving plastic, so you don't use plastic bags. So yeah, I do that anyway. So just a black canvas. It's a nice fabric too. It's a nice thick, heavy fabric. Usually those reusable shopping bags can be really thin and they end up ripping or they're not very cool. This is a cool one. Alright, free advertising for them, but yeah, see, they're very clever and I like that. There's the like Mexican skull. Yeah, cool. The symbol. Yeah, nice one. Alright, well thank you guys. That was really nice. Wait up, we're still going. What else we got here? And we got a t-shirt. Let's see, what size is it? Oh, it's a large. I should have told them my size, but it doesn't matter. Hey, it's a thought that counts, and maybe, I've got to try it on first. Yeah, cool. That's actually a cool looking shirt, like, if you didn't know what it was. OG, like original gangster, I think that's what they're trying to say. People are going to think I'm a staff member or something, but, no, it's cool, man, like, and that's the thing, there's nothing wrong with having a branded shirt or company shirt, but it's actually got to be cool, so you wear it. So yeah, I'm an OG. Yeah, OG. Alright. Well, awesome. Look, thank you again to Lucy in customer service. Thank you to Guzman and Gomez in Australia. And yeah, look, it was a very thoughtful, wonderful gift. You know, I can obviously wear this stuff. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, the secret to living is giving. Stop focusing on what you can get and focus more on what you can give. I'll own that one and I'll explain it a little more. You got the 3 keys: time, energy, and money. TEM. Time, energy, and money. You might have more time. You might have more energy. And you might have more money. You know, whichever one you feel you're strong in. You know, there's many ways to be kind and generous, and there's many ways to give. It doesn't have to be materialistic. It could be just spending a bit more time or being kind to others. And even just the note list. Look at that. That's such a nice note, huh? Alright, well, look, that really made my day. So thank you guys. Thanks again to Lucy. And, yeah. Spreading the good vibes.